So here I am with another strange situation inside of a portable, or not a portable, but a storage space. And it had been rented, but the renters went into the other space. So we need to fix it. And we're going to do that by putting panels on this side. And we're fastening back there where James is putting it, and he's not putting it in the right place. But we're going to go 4 inches from that edge over, and then we're going to end up putting J channel right here. Okay, so we'll let you see as we go along what's going to happen. Now we cut the height, so I have J channel on both ends, no raw edges for somebody to cut their hands on or bump into and cut themselves with the metal, because the metal is pretty sharp. You could hurt your furniture or something. And I've cut myself on that stuff, so we're going to fix it where that doesn't happen by putting a J channel on both ends. And we'll lay the metal down. James has been talking about building a metal building, storage building, portable, movable one. So maybe I'll do that in the future. I've done it a couple times, some 25 years ago. But I'll do it again. Show you guys how I did it. All right, bye.